What do you think about all that you have heard about success? This golden principle of life has been ingrained in you since your childhood days. Struggle hard, work diligently, find yourself a secure job, work consistently, save money, and ultimately retire someday. This has been drummed into our heads by successive generations, and many consider it the best route to success. Parents preach this to us, teachers remind us of it, and at last, the world recognizes those who succeed in this way. Have you ever noticed any anomaly in this practice? Thousands follow this philosophy, yet wind up broke throughout their lives, even though they work hard. They make it in their chosen profession. They are industrious and responsible. But underneath all that, they are always feeling frustrated and helpless. Then what separates a rich person from the rest? But that's not how it is. It has nothing to do with money. It's all about skills. Money comes and money goes. Business fails, markets crash, economy falls apart. All of a sudden, someone gets sacked. Money can disappear as quickly as it comes, but skills will remain with you forever. That's the very reason why some people end up losing everything, but still manage to turn things around for themselves. This is due to their skills. You're not considered rich by the amount of money in your bank account. It's who you are inside. Knowing how to do these things means having these skills for life. No one can ever take them away from you. Among the biggest myths about success in any field is the myth that when one becomes secure, one will be free too. They both seem to be cut from the same cloth. They aren't. Security provides you with safety and comfort. Freedom provides you with choices. Security ensures that you have everything figured out. You'll know exactly when your next paycheck will arrive, you'll know what each day will look like and how it will unfold. This isn't freedom.
Freedom is open to ambiguity. When you are free, you can act and make decisions based on your wishes and not based on what you have to do. In school, answering correctly would earn them praise, while answering wrongly could get them criticized, even bad grades. Gradually, over time, many people become afraid of failing. They become afraid of making mistakes. They fear appearing foolish. They fear taking risks. Unfortunately, this same fear accompanies them into adulthood. They avoid investing since they may lose their money. They avoid starting a business since they may fail. They avoid expressing themselves since they will be judged. They do not seize any opportunity because they cannot live with uncertainty since it does not match their nature.
Those who end up being successful are not the ones who never made any mistakes. It is the ones who make fewer mistakes than others because they learned faster from their mistakes. One more important lesson that changes the mindset of a successful person includes knowing where opportunities lie. It is generally believed that opportunities emerge when things are all good. History teaches us differently. A lot of opportunities arise out of tough times. During good times for the economy, everyone gets confident. Investments are made easily. There is rapid growth in businesses. However, with uncertainty, everything changes.
They are developing systems that improve the lives of others. They are solving problems where there are no solutions. Value dictates income. The more value produced, the greater the potential opportunities. And this brings us to what may just be the most important skill in the world, an often overlooked skill by many individuals. It is sales. The mere mention of this word puts some individuals into a state of manipulation. They see themselves as a tough salesperson, selling something someone doesn't even want. This is communication. This is understanding people's needs. This is problem solving. Like it or not, we all sell something every day. Each time you attend an interview, you are selling yourself. Each time you request an increment in salary, you are selling yourself. Each time you...
None of these will ever come your way until you confront your fears. What kind of freedom do you seek? What kind of income do you seek? What kind of business do you seek? Not through running away from fear, through confronting fear time and again until you break free of it. Every problem that you solve builds you up. Every risk that you take helps you learn. Every discomfort that you endure stretches your confidence. Eventually, you will see problems not as hurdles, but as a form of training. A trait that sets apart successful individuals from everybody else.
People who ultimately triumph may not be the smartest ones in the room, but they're definitely among the most resilient. They continue on when everyone else has given up. They keep going when everyone else is complaining about everything else. And they understand one thing that most people never fully comprehend. Success is rarely linear.